As of 2024, Samsung has near enough mastered the foldable phone, so much so that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, despite being very similar to its predecessor, achieved a 4.5 star score in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 review. So it's likely the next model in the series, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, will also be a very good phone. First though, we have collected all the leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 so far, and you will find those below. This includes information on the possible release date and price, and as well as some rumored specs and features. We have exclusive confirmation that the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event is scheduled for early July 2024. The event is likely to take place in the second week of the month, and considering the typical Wednesday scheduling of Galaxy Unpacked events, there is a possibility that the next event will occur on July 10th. This has been coming up from multiple sources, and if true, it will be the earliest Galaxy Z series announcement to date. There are two key factors and possible reasons for this. First, the Galaxy S24 launch was also earlier than usual on January 17, but the second one is likely more impactful, and it's the Summer Olympics. By announcing the next foldable lineup prior to one of the biggest sporting events on the planet, Samsung is making sure it gets maximum exposure during the event, reaping any potential marketing benefits. What's more, the company is one of the official sponsors of the event, and we could even see a special Olympics edition Galaxy Z phone. The market release date of the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 will probably be sometime in August. We expect the Galaxy Z Fold 6 come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on board. Despite the fact that we might get a Plus version of the chipset in the meantime, we don't expect Exynos variants to make the cut, as the Korean company relies heavily on Snapdragon for its foldables. What we do expect is a specially tuned version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 wearing the For Galaxy moniker. What it actually means is that the clock rates will be a tad higher, resulting in slightly better benchmark scores if thermal throttling is tamed, that is. The latest leak in that area corroborates all the expectations. It's a Geekbench listing that reveals an octa-core processor with the codename Pineapple. This chip uses a 1+3+2+2 core configuration and an Adreno 750 GPU. The Prime core is logged at 3.4 GHz, with the three performance cores running at 3.15 GHz. This clearly points toward a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor.